What's up everybody, I'm Logan from Sleepopolis.com, and today I'll be reviewing the Floyd mattress. I'll go over what it's made of, run some tests, give my pros and cons. I'll even talk about the popular Floyd bed frame, but I'm going to start by talking about what the mattress feels like. Now, when discussing what a bed feels like, the first thing I like to talk about is the support level or firmness of a mattress. I'm gonna give the Floyd a 6 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. That's gonna put it just a hair to the softer side of a medium firmness. That means if you're a combo sleeper, someone who moves from your back to your side, you're gonna be okay here because you're gonna get a nice mix of support and pressure relief in multiple positions. When I'm lying on my back, my weight's evenly distributed. I can feel myself sink into the comfort layer of memory foam just a little bit. You get a nice contouring feeling around the body, but still some good support underneath it. Even with that memory foam, I didn't feel stuck in the mattress at all because of the pocketed coils, which take a closer look at later on in the review. You get some nice bounce to the mattress, some good mobility. Didn't feel stuck in the bed at any point. Now, rolling onto my side, you're gonna want a softer feel to the bed if you're a side sleeper, so you can sink in, not feel as jammed up at the shoulders. We're gonna take a closer look at pressure later on in the review, but I gotta say I was pretty comfortable on my side. You know, if you are a really strict side sleeper, someone who likes to sink deep into bed, you may wanna find something a little bit softer, but I think, if you move around, end up on your side for a portion of the night, this Floyd's gonna be okay for you. Now, the opposite side of that is if you are a stomach sleeper, you're probably gonna need firmer support so that your hips don't sink too far into the mattress. Keep your spine aligned in a good position. I did feel my hips sinking into that memory foam just a bit too much when I was lying on my stomach. So again, if you are maybe a bit heavier or a strict stomach sleeper, find something with a little bit stronger support. Now, to give you a better idea of what's going on with the Floyd mattress, I've opened up the cover so you can see the materials used in the layers. I'm gonna start with that cover, which is a thin tensile material. Now, tensile is a natural material. It's pretty breathable, so that's gonna help it sleep a bit cooler. Overall, it doesn't really affect the feel of the mattress though. Now, below that, we have the comfort layer of the mattress, which is a memory foam. It's got copper and graphite infusion into it. Now, the thing with memory foam is at times it can be known for trapping a bit of body heat. Those infusions are going to help draw heat away from the sleeper, help you sleep a bit cooler. You can see that slow response to pressure of the memory foam. That's gonna give you that contouring feeling around the body you might be expecting. Now, below that, we have a polyfoam layer. It's a bit of a transition between that soft comfort layer on top for pressure relief, transition into the pocketed coil support layer. Now, pocketed coils give you that bounce you might expect out of a traditional inner spring mattress. So while there is a slow response to pressure from the memory foam, there is still good mobility thanks to this support layer. Now, as opposed to steel coils, which are kind of intertwined, these are individually wrapped, so they're going to move a bit more independently and help a bit more with motion isolation. Now, on the bottom of the Floyd, there is some grip material. That's going to help it from slipping on the platform when you're moving around on the mattress. Now, instead of just taking my word on the feel of the Floyd, I like to run a few tests on all of the beds that I review so you get a more objective look at the mattress. The first one up is the pressure map test, and just like it sounds, I put a pressure map down on top of the mattress, lie down in a few positions, and you'll see the results next to me ranging from blue for low pressure to red for high pressure. Now, lying on my back, again, my weight's evenly distributed in this position. You can see it's blue across the board. That's what I was expecting. It's good to see the Floyd perform well here. Again, if you do sleep on your back, I think you're gonna be pretty comfortable here on the Floyd. Now, rolling onto the side, this is where we usually see some interesting results. If the bed's gonna be a little bit too firm for you, you will see it spike into the yellow or red range. You really wanna see either the blue or green range here. I was actually pretty surprised by the light green to yellow sections here at the shoulders and the hips when we're looking on this readout. I did feel pretty comfortable on my side, but again, this may mean that if you are a strict side sleeper, you're gonna wanna find something with a plusher feel. But again, I think if you are a combo sleeper, someone who rolls on your side for a portion of the night, this is gonna be okay for you. Now, rolling onto my stomach, you can see that again, it is blue across the board. That's because my weight's evenly distributed in this position. I don't think this tells the whole story. I did feel my hips sink into the mattress a bit more than I would like it to in this position. So again, if you are a strict stomach sleeper, you're gonna wanna find something with firmer support. Now, another test that I like to run is the bounce test. And basically this is a check to see how much mobility a mattress is going to give you. If you change positions, are you going to feel stuck in the bed? Are you going to have to fight the layers to roll from your back to your side? I didn't get any stuck feeling here on the Floyd. I felt the pocketed coils did a nice job of giving this bed some bounce. I'm able to change positions, which is really great for the combo sleepers out there. Now, the last test that I like to run, kind of goes hand in hand with the bounce or mobility test is a motion transfer portion of the review. Basically, if you share your mattress with a partner and they tend to roll around, change positions, get into and out of bed during the middle of the night, are you going to feel it on your side of the mattress? Is it going to wake you up during the middle of the night? And to test this, I put a seismometer down where you might be sleeping, and on the other side of the bed, I drop a 10-pound steel ball from heights of 4, 8, and 12 inches, and then that seismometer checks to see how much disturbance is transferred with each of those drops. Now, I gotta say, I thought the Floyd performed pretty well. I think the memory foam on top of the mattress did a good job of dulling the transfer a little bit. It is a bouncy mattress, so we do get some disturbance transferred across the bed. Overall, I would say this tested out in about the average range for other mattresses that I've tested. Now, this is Floyd's first mattress, but they have been making furniture for quite some time, including their very popular bed frame, which I am currently on top of. As you can see, it is a minimalist look that's super low profile. The interesting thing about this bed frame is that you don't need any tools to put it together. It's actually held together with straps. Now, even though it's not screwed together or anything like that, it's still a very solid construction. I didn't feel it shake or anything as I'm rolling around on the mattress. I feel really well supported. If you are interested in seeing how the bed frame is put together, I will have a separate video which I will link to in the description below. Now, before I end my review, I do want to give you some of my pros and cons for the Floyd mattress. First up, I would recommend it to you if you are a combo sleeper. It's got a medium firmness to it, so you're going to get that nice mix of support and pressure relief in multiple positions. I would also say it's a great choice if you're looking for a bed with a little bit of bounce. Those pocketed coils really do a nice job of allowing you to change positions without feeling stuck in the mattress. And finally, if you are looking for a bit of a memory foam feel, the comfort layer here gives you that nice contouring around your body. Now, some of my complaints or reasons I would say it's not a good choice for you is if you are a stomach sleeper. I did feel like my hips were sinking in a little bit in that position, so you're probably going to want to find something with firmer support. Also, along those same lines, I think heavier folks out there are going to want to find something that has a little bit more of a solid build to it. Now, if you are interested in purchasing a Floyd mattress, I want to give you some of their company policies. They do offer a 30-day trial period, so you have up to a month before you decide if you want to send it back. Shipping is free. It will arrive compressed in a box, so you want to let it decompress for a few hours or even overnight before you sleep on it, so you get the full feel of the mattress. And finally, there is a 10-year warranty on this product. So that's it for my review of the Floyd mattress. If there's anything I didn't cover, just leave a comment below. Now, if Floyd's not the one for you, you can Google Sleepopolis and best mattress to see my top picks there. Also, be sure to follow us on social media so you don't miss any of our sleep news or giveaway announcements, and head to sleepopolis.com for all of your sleep needs.